Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log in work time in Jira. First, go ahead and log into your account. Now, once in, select on one of your projects on the left panel. Then, go ahead and click on one of your issues where you want to log in work time in. Now, on the right side, under the time tracking section, just click on it and now you can add your time. Another option is click on these three dots and then select on a log work. Now you can add in your time tracking, which is time spent and time remaining. You can go ahead and use this format as this is required. For example, is 2 days for the time spent and I will add in 4 days for the time remaining. Now you can add a work description. After that, just go ahead and save your time track. And there you have it. You now log your time to your task. And that's just basically it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.